Hi, Gabriel. How are you today?
Oh, I'm fine, thanks. How are you?
Good. How was your day?
It's pretty good.
Good. We made you some cookies today.
Oh,
so
that was
would
great.
you like some?
Oh, sure.
Gabriel.
Thank
Gabriel, you can't take all the cookies. You have to learn how to share and leave some for other people.
Well, how am I supposed to know how many to take?
Well, you should take one or two.
Well, okay.
Yeah, and then we'll work it out how to share the plate of cookies. You can't just take all of them. I didn't know that. Are you going to eat all of them?
I guess I have to figure out how to make a fair share of how many cookies each of us gets.
That's right.
If I had 12 cookies and I wanted to share them equally between 3 plates, how could I do it? Well, one thing I could do is keep giving one plate a cookie until I had distributed all of the cookies evenly. And then I could see how many each person would get. It would look something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I can see that with 12 cookies shared between 3 plates, each plate gets 4 cookies. And what if there are 3 women who want to share 12 hats? How could I figure out how much each woman would get? Well, I would just start putting hats on each woman's head, one at a time, until each of them had gotten the same amount. And it would look something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And as you can see, if I share 12 hats between 3 women, each woman gets 4 hats. And what if there were 3 Minecraft players and they had to fight 12 skeletons? How could they share the skeletons so that each of them could fight a fair amount, an equal amount of skeletons? Well, it would look something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3 Minecraft players fighting 12 skeletons. Each of them needs to fight 4. Now, with each of those word problems, I had pretty nice drawings, but if you needed to answer some of these questions on your own about how to share different things, you might not want to spend all your time drawing Minecraft skeletons or Minecraft players or women with hats or plates and cookies. So instead, we can represent the sharing with groups, which are these hollow circles that I have in front of me, and then putting dots inside the groups. So if I wanted to put 12 dots shared between 3 groups, it would look something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that's how I want you to answer the next questions that I'm going to show you. I'm going to give you your own sharing questions to answer, and I want you to show me on a piece of paper how you can equally share the different things that I'm asking you to share. Let's take a look. Okay, so now it's your turn. Go get a pencil and some paper, and I want you to find out how many cookies each person would get in these 4 examples. Press pause to answer the question, and then press play to check your answers. Okay, let's check your answers. Starting in the top left, how can you share 12 cookies between 4 people? Well, you would split them up something like that. And as you can see, I've split up the 12 cookies equally between the 4 people so that each person gets 3 cookies. In the top right, you have 20 cookies shared between 5 people. And if you were to share those 20 cookies equally, each person would get 4. In the bottom left, 9 cookies shared between 3 people. If you did it fair shares, it would look like this. Each person would get 3. And finally, if you were sharing 8 cookies between 4 people, and you did it as fair shares, each person would get 2 cookies. Okay, now that I know how to share things fairly between groups of people, let's see if I can share my cookies fairly with Dina. Now I want to split up the cookies evenly between me and Dina so that we can both have an equal amount. Let's get started. 1 over here, 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 and 1 over here. Okay, great. Now we both have 4 cookies, and it's fair and we can share them equally. Now that I've figured out how to share cookies, it's time for you to figure out how to do some sharing of your own. Log on to Seesaw and there are some new math activities for you to practice sharing equal items between groups. Enjoy your math. I'm going to enjoy my cookies. Bye!